Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Happy World Children's Day. This World Children's Day, we celebrate the voices of children around the globe. This year's theme, Listen to the Future, calls us to pay attention to the hopes, dreams, and ideas of young people. Children are not just the leaders of tomorrow, but they are valuable contributors of what we have today. As we listen, let us amplify their voices, recognizing that every child has the right to express themselves and be heard. Their perspectives are crucial in shaping a world that is inclusive, equitable, and sustainable. Naway tayo ay kumilos para sa kapakanan ng ating mga kabataan at ng mundong kanilang mamanahin. Sama-sama tayong lumikha ng mga espasyo kung saan ang mga bata ay makakapagbahagi ng kanilang mga saloobin, malayang maipahayag ang kanilang damdamin, makapagbigay inspirasyon ng pagbabago at maging isang bata na walang takot at malayo sa panganib. Muli, Happy World Children's Day, and together, let's listen to the future. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.